While better than the traditional post-meeting blurry photo of a whiteboard, the best reporting our competitors offer is to export a PNG image that still requires hours of tedious manual transcription to turn ideas into actions. Stormboard's reporting capabilities stand alone in the market. There are 9 different report options available that can be instantly generated by the push of a button. Stormboard is the only visual collaboration tool that has a built-in relationship between the template and the content in your workspace, allowing you to instantly produce brandable and editable stakeholder-ready documents in Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and multiple other options. Stormboard's smart reports instantly generate your meeting minutes so that your team can focus on what's important, taking action immediately on the most crucial ideas and working better together.